Hello, my name is Leos. I'm chef on Czech Embassy in Tokyo, and today I'm gonna show you our typical Czech dessert, what's calling the Via Czech, and inside will be egg yolk cream. So let's do this, I show you how to do. So for firstly, we need to make the baked dough, and we need just the water, butter, flour and the eggs, and a little bit of, for sure, the salt. If we have boiling water, we put a little bit salt, some butter, making the second, and if it's ready, then that means then the butter it's like a liquid. We put inside the flour. So if the dought's looking like this one, it's looking like one consistency of this. We remove from the heat. See that everything together working very nice. So now we put the eggs for different bowl and put for the machine. And we mixed everything together like a dough and the eggs. But if you see it's still too much hot, we need to wait for a few seconds. It's a little bit colder. And slowly put it the dough. It's everything working together with eggs. Maybe better by hand lay. See, now is everything mixing together very nice. Now we put the dough to the pastry bag. And you can do like our typical check like this. Or also you can do, it's up to you, like for example, I don't know, like a triangle for example, or the cube. But usually we are using like a circle like this one. So and now we put to the oven for 20 minutes, 170 degrees. So and now we start the egg yolk cream. So firstly we put the egg yolks, sugar and cornstarch together and mix it like this. And now we put the vanilla seeds. We just cut for the half, like this one. And remove from the inside the seeds of the vanilla. Like this. And also put inside. We do the same from the second one. And mix it again. So on the heat, we put milk and cream together and bring the warm, like this. And if it's ready, we put just from the heat and small one to inside with the mixing. Yeah, I think it's enough. And now we mixed very well. And now everything like this we put here to inside. Just a slowly, there can be colder one. So now it's everything fixed together. Because if it will be too hot, it will be looks like scrambled eggs, and that's not what we are looking for. And now we put everything after for the heat and just mixing for a few minutes. The consistency will be thick. We needed to care about the burnt. It will be something about maybe 3 minutes, like just mixing like this. And then it will be starting to look like a little bit pudding, if you see. And then we remove and mix it very well. So and now we put inside of the bowl. For higher speed and slowly put inside the butter. Not everything together, but piece by piece. And now the egg yolk cream has a smoothly consistency. And I think the cream is ready. And now we just put the fresh filet like this, yes. So we put to the fridge maybe for half an hour. So and now it's prepared and ready, the baked dough. Yeah, it's look very nice. See that? Wow, very nice. So just let him cool down. And after we put inside the egg yolk cream, and we are ready to serve. Now the cream is ready from the fridge. It's a cold one. We remove like this. Yes, very nice. See, take the Vィエネチェク, cut for the half like here. So we take it, the cream, to the pastry bag. Put a small one like this. Some mint for the garnish. Also the berries is fine. Up to you what you do like a garnish. There is also like a strawberry sauce. And on top like this one. Yeah, I think so looks.
Thank you very much. Vィエネチェク is very famous and easy to make Czech confectionery. I can't imagine any family or friends party and events without baking this sweet and delicious small ring-shaped pastry. Vīエネチェク is traditionally made by the very fluffy and light dough, and inside is vanilla cream. This time, the chef made very nice and balanced flavor of vanilla, sweetness, and even with some strawberry cream. This combination is just perfect to enjoy. I hope you will make this pastry at home and share Czech sweet taste with your friends and family.